Tinja Track 2. This is a vehicle that can easily replace as many as 5 different specialized vehicles. This is Track 2, a universal all-terrain vehicle from the Russian company Tinja. Thanks to a set of crawler tracks, this compact and all-terrain vehicle can replace a snowmobile, an amphibious vehicle, an ATV, and even a swamp buggy. In other words, it can literally move on any type of surface. The suspension stroke of 7 inches allows it to overcome obstacles such as rocks, fallen trees, and deep ruts. With an impressive output of 26 horsepower, it can be used for snow removal or garden work. The maximum driving speed is 15 miles per hour. For comparison, other vehicles with similar characteristics reach only 8 miles per hour. FinCat G2. Don't let the fragile appearance of this vehicle fool you. Snow, stones, sand, as well as swampy and rugged terrain are not an obstacle for it. The G2 from the Finnish company FinCat was originally designed as a snowmobile, but its versatile tracked platform surpassed any expectations. The vehicle stands out for its compactness and maneuverability, allowing the rider to feel confident and in control of everything that happens on the road. The 74-kilowatt engine allows for a top speed of about 62 miles per hour. Also, being a 2-seater, the all-terrain vehicle weighs only 620 pounds, which makes it more convenient to transport from place to place. Tomcar TX. This car is a new product. It's already available for pre-order, although shipments are scheduled for early 2022. In the past, its manufacturer, the Israeli company Tomcar, was engaged exclusively in the creation of military equipment. And you can easily spot that in the characteristics of the TX. The all-terrain vehicle is something between an ATV, an SUV, and a pickup truck. The ground clearance is 17 inches, which is the best in this class. The independent suspension with a long travel and adjustable hydraulic shock absorbers are responsible for endurance and the ability to move in aggressive off-road conditions. Lenco Medivac G3. What sets this vehicle apart from all other models on our list is that while it has extremely high cross-country ability, it's able to provide the highest level of cabin stability, along with passenger safety and comfort. This is important because Medivac G3 is a medical all-terrain vehicle designed to save human lives in the toughest conditions. See how steadily the vehicle wades through 48 inches of water. Not a single drop seeps inside. The model is also able to protect you from hurricane winds of 233 miles per hour and withstand an impact of 40,000 pounds. Tinja Dog. This utility task machine, again from the Russian company Tinja, is another amazing all-terrain vehicle that deserves our attention. It's powered by a 15-horsepower engine and is capable of carrying up to 1,100 pounds of cargo. The manufacturer highlights the reliability and compactness of the vehicle. Thanks to its special design, Tinja Dog fits even into the luggage compartment of a standard SUV. In other words, this vehicle will be ideal for fishing or hunting trips, especially away from public roads. Scandinavian Terrain Vehicles BV206. It is no coincidence that these vehicles are used by research organizations in the USA, Australia, Canada, and many Scandinavian countries. Even though the very first model of this all-terrain vehicle was developed in 1974, it is still in demand after minor modifications. The BV206 consists of 2 sections, and when moving, it engages all 4 tracks. The optimal weight distribution ensures low ground pressure, and therefore the ability to move on any type of surface, even water. It can carry up to 17 people, or 5,000 pounds of cargo. As an added advantage, the BV206 can operate even at extremely low temperatures. In addition, the rear section can be replaced, for example with a cargo handler, which increases the versatility of the model and expands the scope of available tasks. Gertek MTLB-U. The manufacturer of this vehicle, the Russian company Gertek, makes a very bold statement. Their model has such unique technical characteristics that it has virtually no competitors in the world. Its lightweight, speed, ability to float, and ability to deliver both people and cargo in off-road conditions are only some of its noteworthy features. The MTLB-U can carry up to 8 passengers in the cab and up to 10 in the body. The 8-cylinder engine has 310 horsepower. Water speed reaches 4 miles per hour. This is exactly the kind of equipment ideal for geological exploration, for the petroleum and logging industry, road construction, fishing and hunting in hard-to-reach areas. Mad Nomad. The next vehicle from our list will amaze you, not only with its unusual appearance, but also for the interesting decisions made at the stage of construction. For example, the body of the Ukrainian all-terrain vehicle Mad Nomad is made of composite material on a polyester base. Also, the vehicle boasts a patented transmission design. It received a central and wheel reduction gears. The modularity of the design cannot be ignored, which allows you to adjust the details and characteristics of the vehicle to specific tasks, or according to the wishes of the customer. The tubeless tyres and ultra-low pressure, paired with a ground clearance of 23 inches, allow you to overcome almost any obstacle. It reaches 31 miles per hour on land and 4.5 miles per hour on water. Inkas AMEV 4x4. As a rule, military vehicles have great cross-country performance. But AMEV from the Canadian company Inkas exceeded all expectations. Its name stands for Armored Medical Evacuation Vehicle. It can carry up to 14 passengers, or 2 crew members and 6 wounded passengers. All of them will be provided with the highest level of protection. As AMEV is based on a multi-purpose armored vehicle. Note the modular platform. It's needed so that the vehicle can be fitted with special equipment, such as thermal imaging or a night vision system. The Canadian specialist developed AMEV specifically for search and rescue operations in the most inaccessible parts of the planet. Paxus Velis 2x2. This is a vehicle that draws attention because of its aggressive appearance, but it's also impressive on the inside. The Velis 2x2 is equipped with all-wheel drive, a hydraulic disc brake system, and low-pressure wheels that serve as front and rear suspensions. The engine output is 6.5 horsepower, and the top speed limit is 25 miles per hour. It's not much, but Velis is able to get where any normal high-speed motorcycle would immediately get stuck. This applies to both difficult types of soil and steep climbs and descents. The manufacturer is the Russian motorcycle factory Paxus. Taranica Dream Track. Next up is the tracked all-terrain vehicle Dream Track from the Russian company Taranica. It is a car with a lightweight, rigid body made of a steel frame and covered with fiberglass. Thanks to a layer of insulation and heating system, the passengers will feel comfortable. Even if the temperature outside has dropped below -40 degrees Fahrenheit, the front and underbody are armored for a better performance on harsh terrains. The suspension is independent and long-range, designed for high mileage and difficult operating conditions. The capacity is 6 people, the maximum speed is 50 miles per hour, and the vehicle is capable of climbing a 30-degree hill. Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. the power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.